An engine that shuts down when you shift into neutral is a warning sign that something is wrong with the engine management or idle control system. Many drivers assume it's a minor issue because the engine restarts easily, but repeatedly ignoring this symptom can leave you stranded in traffic or even lead to expensive repairs. When the transmission is shifted into neutral, the engine should automatically maintain a stable idle speed. If it stalls instead, one or more components responsible for controlling idle are likely malfunctioning. One of the most common causes is a dirty or faulty idle air control system, vehicles equipped with one. The idle air control system regulates the amount of air entering the engine when the throttle is closed. If it becomes clogged with carbon deposits or fails electrically, the engine may not receive enough air to maintain idle speed. As soon as you release the accelerator and shift into neutral, the RPM drops too low and the engine stalls. Another major cause is a vacuum leak in the intake system. Cracked vacuum hoses, leaking intake manifold gaskets, damaged PCV hoses, or loose intake connections allow unmetered air to enter the engine. This upsets the air-fuel mixture, making the engine run lean at idle. While the engine may run reasonably well at higher RPM, it can stall immediately when shifted into neutral because idle airflow is already very low. A dirty throttle body can also create this problem. Over time, carbon deposits build up around the throttle plate, restricting airflow during idle. The engine control unit, ECU, expects a certain amount of airflow, but the deposits reduce it, causing unstable idle speed and frequent stalling. Cleaning the throttle body and performing an idle relearn procedure, if required by the manufacturer, often restores normal operation.
Fuel delivery problems are another possible reason. A weak fuel pump, clogged fuel filter, dirty fuel injectors, or incorrect fuel pressure can reduce the amount of fuel reaching the engine at idle. Although the engine may seem to perform normally while accelerating, it may not receive enough fuel to sustain combustion when the throttle closes, causing the engine to shut off as you shift into neutral. Modern vehicles may also experience this issue because of faulty sensors or electronic control problems. A defective mass airflow, MAF sensor, throttle position sensor, TPS, crankshaft position sensor, engine coolant temperature sensor, or even an ECU software issue can prevent the engine from maintaining a stable idle. In automatic vehicles, a failing torque converter lockup solenoid can also cause the engine to stall when slowing down, because the transmission remains partially locked instead of disengaging smoothly. If your engine repeatedly shuts off when you shift into neutral, don't ignore it. Check for a dirty throttle body, vacuum leaks, fuel system issues, sensor faults, and stored diagnostic trouble codes. Fixing the root cause early can prevent breakdowns, improve fuel economy, and help you avoid much more expensive engine or transmission repairs later.